Sister Charlotte Italiano, director and principal of the Ursuline Preschool and Kindergarten in Canfield, Ohio, thrilled students, parents, and teachers when she made good on a bet with them Wednesday, May 25th. Donning leather, chaps, and a bandana, Sister Charlotte became a motorcycle mama and was driven around the school's parking lot on the back of a bike. Here's a look at the fun. The event capped off a successful fundraising drive by the Early Education Facility, founded by the Ursuline Sisters of Youngstown in 1963. Visit the Ursuline Sisters of Youngstown online at www.theursulines.org and at facebook.com/ursuline.sisters.youngstown. Copyright 2011, The Ursuline Sisters of Youngstown.